Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Ready to learn the remaining 7 tips to boost the value of your car before putting it on the market? In part 2 of our series, we'll uncover the final strategies to help you get the best price for your vehicle. Paperwork and documentation. Having all the necessary paperwork and documentation in order is essential for the appraisal process. Make sure you have records of any maintenance or repairs, as well as the vehicle's title and registration. This will help the appraiser understand the full history and condition of your car. Negotiation power. An appraisal from a reputable professional can provide you with confidence and leverage in negotiations with potential buyers. It demonstrates that you have taken the necessary steps to determine the true value of your car, giving you a strong position when discussing pricing. Added credibility. Having a professional appraisal report adds credibility to your listing and can attract serious buyers who are willing to pay a premium for a well-documented and accurately valued vehicle. Investing in a professional appraisal can ultimately help you set a fair and competitive price for your car, maximizing its value and attracting potential buyers who recognize the effort you've put into ensuring an accurate valuation. Research market value. Before selling your car, it's essential to understand its market value to maximize your return. By using online valuation tools and obtaining multiple quotes, you can ensure that you have a clear understanding of what your car is worth. Utilize online valuation tools. Online valuation tools such as Kelley Blue Book, Edmunds, and Nada Guides provide valuable insights into the market value of your car. By entering your vehicle's make, model, year, mileage, and condition, these tools can generate an estimated value based on current market trends and sales data. This information gives you a solid starting point for pricing your car competitively. Get multiple quotes. In addition to using online valuation tools, it's beneficial to obtain multiple quotes from dealerships, car buying services, and private buyers. By doing so, you can compare offers and leverage them against each other to secure the best possible price for your vehicle. Keep in mind that different buyers may value your car differently based on their specific needs and market demand. By thoroughly researching your car's market value through online tools and obtaining multiple quotes, you can ensure that you're well-informed and well-equipped to make informed decisions when selling your car. Complete necessary paperwork. Before selling your car, it's crucial to ensure that all the necessary paperwork is in order. This not only adds value to your car, but it also streamlines the selling process, making it more convenient for both you and the potential buyer. Title and registration. The first step in completing necessary paperwork is to ensure that you have the title and registration documents readily available. These documents establish your legal ownership of the vehicle and are essential for transferring ownership to the new buyer. Make sure that the information on these documents is accurate and up to date to avoid any complications during the selling process. Maintenance documentation. Gathering and organizing maintenance documentation can significantly enhance the value of your car. This documentation includes records of regular maintenance, such as oil changes, tire rotations, and other services, as well as any repairs or major work that has been done on the vehicle. Providing potential buyers with comprehensive maintenance records instills confidence in the car's condition and demonstrates that it has been well cared for throughout its life. This can ultimately result in a higher resale value for your car. Advertise strategically. Advising you on how to maximize the value of your car before selling wouldn't be complete without discussing the importance of strategic advertising. By reaching the right audience and highlighting the best features of your vehicle, you can significantly enhance its perceived value. Utilize online platforms. With the proliferation of online marketplaces, tapping into these platforms can greatly expand your pool of potential buyers. Websites such as Craigslist, AutoTrader, and Cars.com allow you to showcase your car to a vast audience, increasing the likelihood of finding the right buyer willing to pay a premium for your vehicle. Leverage social media. In today's digital age, social media has become a powerful tool for connecting with potential buyers. Leveraging platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter enables you to create visually appealing posts and reach a large audience through targeted ads and organic reach. By highlighting your car's best features and engaging with potential buyers, you can generate interest and maximize its perceived value. Negotiate wisely. Negotiating the best deal for your car is crucial in maximizing its value before selling. Here's how to navigate the negotiation process and come out on top. Know your bottom line. Before entering into negotiations, determine the lowest price you are willing to accept for your car. Consider factors such as the vehicle's market value, condition, and any outstanding repairs or maintenance. Knowing your bottom line provides you with a clear benchmark during negotiations and prevents you from settling for less than what your car is worth. Be willing to walk away. During negotiations, it's essential to maintain the mindset that walking away is always an option. Being willing to walk away empowers you to stand firm on your bottom line and not succumb to pressure. It also signals to the buyer that you are confident in the value of your car, potentially leading to a more favorable outcome in the negotiation process. Final touches, final inspection. Before putting your car up for sale, it's crucial to conduct a comprehensive final inspection. Check for any visible dents, scratches, or other imperfections that could potentially reduce the value of your car. It's also important to ensure that all mechanical components are in proper working condition. Address any minor issues that could be easily fixed, such as replacing a burnt-out light bulb or fixing a loose door handle. Presentation for sale. The way you present your car can significantly impact its perceived value. Thoroughly clean both the interior and exterior, paying close attention to details such as the dashboard, upholstery, and windows. Consider investing in professional detailing to give your car that extra shine. When taking photos for online listings, choose a clean and clutter-free background to showcase your car's best features. Presenting your car in its best condition will make a positive impression on potential buyers and help maximize its value. By following these 14 valuable tips, you can significantly increase the value of your car before selling it. From regular maintenance to thorough cleaning and repair, every step plays a crucial role in attracting potential buyers and securing a higher selling price. Remember to focus on both the interior and exterior of the vehicle, as well as its mechanical condition. By investing time and effort into these strategies, you can ensure that you get the best possible return on your investment when selling your car. Hope you found these tips valuable. Now armed with a comprehensive list of strategies, you're ready to fetch the best price for your car. Wishing you success in your selling journey. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.